extra time.
Welcome to Extra Time, and this is Chinmoy Roy with Extra Fit. You must be thinking what this man is doing. I tell you, I love Bruce Lee, a great example, inspiration. And this man says, if you love life, do not waste time. For time is what life is made up of. What a wonderful quote to kickstart the day. See, we all give excuses. This is happening, this is locked, I have nothing, but then give up the excuses. Please do certain things, put in some time, trigger the desire, do some exercises, and what a great takeaway the exercise gives. So, the inspiration given by Bruce Lee, put into practice, because if you love life, then you have to use the time. I have got 3 exciting exercises for you, and before I do, so you should finish your warm-up. Okay, you should finish your warm-up with certain stretches. Okay, you can have your own stretches and then carry on. We have got some special things. See, everybody in the confines of the room eating more and then sleeping more. So, and whoever I ask, they'll say one thing. This is what it's getting up for me. Can you give me some exercises? Okay, I have got some beautiful one. So, I start with that. Now, this is one thing we all have, bottle. And we all know what is rope is. So, you do this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, what it does. This works 2 things. Strong here, there, burns a hell of a lot of calorie. So, this is sort of a one shot 3 birds. Okay, so this works on the core. You can do it and show sideways. You can kneel down and do it. You can get up. Okay, all ages. Ooh, ooh. How many? That's the thing you must be asking. So, you do it minimum 40. Okay, and you can go up to 50 or 60. Usually this is done with a battle rope. But then we have to use our domestic objects, household objects, because we are confined to the room. We are staying safe, keeping ourselves safe, and we are doing the exercises. So, this is number 1. Immediately come to your number 2. What is that? This is very fascinating. You see, I'm sitting here, right? Sitting right on the floor. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's boxing, and that too seated. Yes, that's great fun. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Again, I get into the sides. Again, you're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3. So, 10 punches and immediately this. Okay, it's a sequence. What the sequence is, I tell you. So you can 1, 2, that's seated. I'm teaching you 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 of this, and then you sit, and then you do this. A count of 5 each side. So that makes 1 round, and you do 3 of them. Remember, you have done the first exercise. That's battle rope or the bottle rope. This is the bottle rope. And then punch and rotate. But here you can, to make your job easy, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And again, in this way, your count should be minimum 40, and you can go up to 60. This is your exercise number 2. I come and show you the exercise number 3, but then I drift away to one more motivational talk. This is Mike Horn, the great explorer who explores, who spreads his wing where even eagles dare. And he says, if we live 82 years, that's an average age, then we have got 30,000 days to live. 30,000 days. And so each day, gentlemen, is precious. Each day. And make best use of that day by putting in some good hard work. So my third exercise, again I tell you, this is bloody good, very good for the core. Now you hold this. 1, 1, 2, 2. Fitter guys. 1, 1. I am average. 1, 1, 2, 2. Or to make your job easy, 1, 2, 3. Minimum again is 20. So these 3 back-to-back exercises, what I've done, I'll repeat, makes you 1 round. That's called circuit. We all remember circuit. That Munna Bhai MBBS. You remember? Life is all about fun, you know. So Munna Bhai MBBS, Ashad Warsi rather, he was a circuit. So this is a circuit workout for you to remember. Okay, 3 exercise marks 1 circuit. You can rest 2 minutes. Repeat 3 to 5 circuits. What it does, it ups your mood. As I said, ups your mood. You feel so good after the workout. It's a day worth living, as Bruce Lee says. And I round it off with one more great quote. We all remember Muhammad Ali, the great boxer, arguably one of the greatest athlete, sports person the world has seen. What Muhammad Ali says? He had 27 years Parkinson's disease, used to tremor in the hands. He said, I have learned magic. I said, why you have learned magic? He said, when I do magic, I forget that I have Parkinson's. And I think life is not about thinking you're Parkinson's, but life is thinking how you can do good to others. How you can do it? Exercise within the room and staying safe inside the room to make life easier and safer for you.
Hit the subscribe option and the bell icon to get all the exclusive sports videos on Extra Time.